Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we have another video that we're going to be doing for you guys. And this one's a little bit different. I did this video about 3 years ago, and it was on the cargo buckle straps, retractable straps. And really got a lot of views on it. I think it's over 170,000 views. And it's really the quickest way to strap down your side-by-side. And I'll put a link in the description of the previous video to show how it demonstrated and how we loaded it and unloaded it, and you guys can see how it worked out. But it's been about 3 years, so I kind of wanted to do a review on the straps, and so we went ahead and picked these up. And how they work is they're retractable. So as you guys can see, you just flick this up all the way and they're retractable. Okay? And what we noticed is after wear and tear in 3 years and living in Northeast Ohio, you could see with the salt and all that stuff, they still work. And I think it's only this one and that one over there, but it doesn't retract. So I think with the salt and everything, and just being old, being 3 years old, you could still use it. It still attaches to the unit, and it'll still ratchet down, but it won't retract. So I think maybe the springs in there or something went bad, but as you can see on these ones right here, they still all work. That. See, those two work, never had any issues with. And this one right here, same thing. This one doesn't retract. Okay. So I think just the age and the salt and everything in Northeast Ohio took its toll on it. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and replace them. And then that way when we go pick up the new unit, we don't have anything to worry about. We'll have new straps ready to go. But I wanted to give you guys like a type of review on what has happened the past 3 years for these straps. And this trailer does sit outside sometimes, so you got to take that into account too. The sun, rain, everything. A lot of people don't keep their trailers inside, so this is what you can expect after a 3-year period. Not bad. Those two still work. These two work, they just don't retract. And what's nice about these is they come with the mounting hardware. So, comes with the bolts and a set of two. I'll put a link in the description. I got these off of Amazon, and it'll take you right to it. They run about $80 somewhere in that area plus tax. But for 3 years, I think they're well worth it. And for the ease to hook your unit up fast, you put it on, you strap it down, and you're out of there. It's nothing like these long ratchet straps, you know, where you got to tie everything up and all that kind of crap. So I think this is your best bang for your buck, and they're gonna last you. The only reason why I'm replacing them is just because they're old, and these two don't retract, but those two do. So I guess it just depends on where you live and what type of weather you live in, and if you have salt, or if you live down south or out west where you don't have as many snow elements and stuff like that, they might last you longer. But here living in Northeast Ohio, we got a good 3 years out of these two straps and those two straps. Those are actually good. I'll keep those as spares. And these right here, I'll just probably put in the tool bin, maybe use for scrap parts or whatever. But I wanted to go ahead and show you guys and review this. And they're real easy to install. As you can see, we just drilled holes right through the trailer right there. And it's 5/8 bolt. I'll just show you how easy these are. And you just got to figure out where you want to put them on your unit, on your trailer. This is what worked out best for us. There you go. So that's how easy it is. We'll go ahead and we'll get these ready to go, and we'll show you what it looks like. All right. It's really nice that it comes with the hardware. You don't have to go to a hardware store or anything. Everything comes with the kit. And they're locking nuts. So I'll go ahead and tighten these first. Get them where we want them. I usually put them like that. There you go. You got one down. There you go. It's real simple. Take this one off. You can see the corrosion. And that's 3 years, so came right off. So it's good hardware. So I got a new one. And when you drill these holes, come here, I'll show them. Make sure you got a good sharp bit because you're drilling through metal. So make sure you have a good sharp bit. We had to go buy one because the ones we had were a little old, not as sharp. But the good thing is once they're drilled, you're good to go. Too tight. Again, we'll put them like that. There you go. And then in the front, we just decided to put them right here because it was just easier. Because you're going to bring your unit up and you just hook on right there and you ratchet it down. We could have put it on the side, but we just thought this one would be way easier. So we'll go ahead and get these on and then we'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Alright, got them all done. So that took, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. So you guys would just have a little bit of time and drill the holes in the trailer. And then after you got the hills drilled, or after you got the holes drilled, you're set to go. And you can see how these work. You just hook right up to your unit. Just like that. And then you just ratchet it down like a regular ratchet. And you're good to go. You're out of there in 5 minutes. So What, Mikey, when we go, 5 minutes, we're in and out. Pull on, to the front, to the back, you're good to go. And you can see, come on over here, Mikey. You guys can see the abuse these took. And they are still working. They are still working. Just two didn't retract. So you guys can see, this is 3 years out in the weather, Northeast Ohio, salt, rain, snow, sun. So this is not always inside, but sometimes it is, and sometimes we store it outside, just depending on what's going on. But I'll go ahead and put a link in the description. You guys can see 3,500 pounds on that. Braking strength. Okay? So it's more than enough for a UTV. I think a Ranger's around, I don't know, 1,500 pounds. Same thing with an X3, somewhere in that area. So they're definitely gonna hold. You're gonna have 4 of them, 2 in the back, 2 in the front. You guys shouldn't have any issues. So I'll put a link in the description for these. And also I'll put a link in the description for the video of us actually loading a unit on and taking it down the street. We got some real good camera views on that. And like I said, I think it's over 170,000 views. One of my most popular videos. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment down below, tell me what you guys think. Also make sure you share, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. We got more videos on the way. The new unit's not in yet, but we wanted to get this trailer ready to go, so when I get that phone call, we can go pick it up. With that said, I'll see you on the next one.